Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Um, Working on some dash parts today. Car's getting pretty close. I'm still waiting for my dash pad, Bob. Um, so hopefully that'll be here shortly. So this stuff is all gonna get cleaned up, detailed, and get it ready for when the dash pad finally shows up, Bob. So what we have here, got some Transtar plastic prep. You wash down your panels with this stuff here first. These are pretty dusty, so soak it in there. I got some lint-free towels. So these guys here actually throw them in the dishwasher at home first. So they're probably pretty clean. And here's a rally dash panel, which the vent was falling apart in. So I took that out and we'll get that ready to go first. So these are original pieces here. 70 is 1 year only by itself. 71 has an extra ridge on it. So they do look different. Yes, 71, 2, 3, and 4 has an extra ridge on the edge over here. So these panels here are 50 years old, so they do leave a little bit to be desired. But once they're installed, and the color is nice and bright, it will actually look pretty good. This is your radiator surround bracket. They're all the same. It's just interesting thing is that these are have the cutouts here for the 8-track player, but that gets covered up by this panel here, something like that. That's how it goes, just like that. So 70 has like a suede finish in here, which we're not going to try to duplicate. This is not that kind of car. So these little vents here have these this chrome detail around here. So what we'll do after we paint these, we'll go around with the silver Sharpie. It looks pretty good. Now, that's what they're here for, to learn something. Okay. All right, we'll let those dry a few minutes. Put this stuff here away. We have this some plastic adhesion promoter. So you give it a little coat of that and make sure your color will stay on there without flaking off. This is what we're going to use to put some color on these guys. Stuff works really well. They come in spray cans too, but I prefer a quart can. I can put it in my spray gun. It works well when you're coloring door panels, so you don't get all the lines in it from the spray gun, paint gun. We're gonna be spraying this 7 plastic adhesion promoter on these parts here. All you need is a light coat. You let it flash. All right, we'll let that sit a minute. Let's go take a look at the rest of the stuff we got here. Here's my pile of dashboard stuff. I've got a 71 style cluster here. Got a broken needle on it. I don't know if the speedometer works yet. I'll have to test it. What I'm going to do, I got a piece of speedometer cable here. I'll hook it up to an electric drill, make sure it works. I've got new facing for all of these gauges. I actually have some new gauges here. That speedometer doesn't work. I've got a 71, 72 to 3/4 style here, which the button comes through the dash, through the lens. See, this comes right through the lens here. This one here has the adjuster on the side. That's for your odometer. So that's the later style there. These typically come with a 7,000 RPM tack in them, and somebody's changed that one already because that's should be an 8,000, but it doesn't matter. The decals all have 8,000 on them, and it's the same tack. So, and the clock reset is also different on the later style ones. This one comes through glass. This one comes through the side here. Here's all my vents. So there should be enough stuff here to put one set together for that dash out there. Here's your control. I got to swap all this stuff over. As you can see, this has a little notch in it here. That's from a standard dash. Your rally dash is square. All the controls are the same though. And here's all the little vents. So I still have to put a small one together for the passenger side, and this is the one for the driver's side. So that'll be my next project. Here's a heater control for the standard dash. As you can see, the notch goes right in there like that. It's got this. It's got the big circle here for the big speedometer, which is 120 miles an hour instead of 150. So this is going to be a all-day project here, putting all this stuff together. All right, so this the adhesion promoter is flashed. It's ready for the color on here. Oop. All right, we'll let that sit a couple minutes, and then put another coat on there. As you can see, you don't have to pile it on there. Just nice even coats.